Now we know why everything changes. Everything keeps changing. We must not fall victim to change. We must be masters of important change. Human beings progress by escalating integration with others. More others, diverse others. Language, transportation, communication have integrated us into one global village. But integration amongst men has matured. It cannot keep expanding as fast as before. Economy stagnant and social interactions few. People find trouble and people create trouble. We need to expand integration beyond man. We need to integrate with Mother Nature. A fresh teardrop moistens the eyes, captures dust, flows down to nose, moistens the nose, captures dust. Flows down from nose, not to lung, but to the stomach. A teardrop is used more than once. Otherwise, you will need a lot of water, fresh water. Worse, a lot of waste oozing out from all over our body. Can we apply this concept in our lives? Agriculture, for instance. One tall heap of straws produce only a few grains of rice. Thailand, Vietnam, they know best. We face overproduction of rice. We need to subsidize the rice farmers. Increased production is not a solution. Increased production of rice will also produce more waste. Finding good use of farm waste is the solution. We can use the best for our food, the next best for animal feed and industrial feed, the next for external use, printing, packaging, furniture, building materials. Only the polluted and the hazardous we burn for energy. This is Sobel eco-step pyramid. So from roots to seeds, from marrow to hair, from ponds in the desert to algae in warm water, we find use. Use more than once, just like our teardrop. In fact, this concept has been successfully applied. In 2009, Sobel shared with MIT President Energy Team that burning alcohol purer than whiskey for energy is throwing away energy-rich carbon. What a waste. Bioethanol has much higher value applications, and they immediately agreed. Earlier, in 2006, this concept was shared with China Power Chief. A year later, China enacted laws prohibiting food for energy and started cultivating thorns in inner Mongolian desert. 2 years later, these thorns were harvested for power generation. Desert farmers earn good income from farming ponds. Energy, water are key for improving our lives. They also create jobs and drive the economy. Breakthrough inventions are presented in the 6th book, The Goal Beyond Green and Echo, for leaders, for you, for your children, for a better future. Now, after energy, may we look at water. All filters will get choked. Can we design a filter that will never get choked? Yes, it can be done, and it has been done. It has become the standard in Singapore rivers. May we watch